Hello everyone. So in this video, we will see about how to measure this inclined distance. Right. So to measure the inclined distance, we will type here command DAL. See DAL, and you can see this command on the top. Just press enter. Now if you just click here and second point here, and that's how you can just measure the inclined distance. Now let me measure this one. Click here. Now click here. Just press enter. Let me increase the dimension size. Dim style. Click on the modify. Text height, let me make it as 50, and arrow which let me make it as 40. Okay, now you can see that's how you can just measure this inclined dimension.